Hello student, I am sharing the solution of those questions which I had discussed or shared with you in my previous video. The question, the first question was find grammar for sigma is equal to a comma b that generates all string with exactly one a. So this is very basic question. The solution is very easy. The general description or format of the grammar is g is equal to v t s p, where v is equal to set of variable, t is equal to set of terminal, and s is equal to s stand for set initial state. P is production rule. So the grammar for this language can be written as production rule. Sorry, production for this language can be, first of all we have to find the production rule and then we can generate the grammar for the same production rule. So production rule for the given question is s b a b, where b generate bb and b generate lambda. This is production for the given language. Therefore grammar will be such that g is equal to b comma s, where bs are the variables, comma a comma b, sorry, here is curly bracket, a comma b is set of terminals, s is initial state, and p is production rule. So this is the grammar for the given language which can generate exactly one a. If you want to check this grammar, is this grammar is correct or not, you can think a string with exactly one a, like I'm taking an string a b b. Now I will try to generate this string using this grammar. Let's put the production rule and try to generate this grammar. What is this in question? We have to generate a b b. So let's say s generate a b b, where s generate b generate lambda, so we can put here lambda. So we generate a b b. Now this page is small, I can write here s generate a and b generate what, b b, and again a b b generate, where a b b lambda, and lambda can be b can be replaced by lambda. So a b b the string which can be generated by this grammar. In the same manner you can generate the language for all questions. Second question the second question was related to generate a language with three a's, like s. So it is very easy to generate. You can generate production rule. Production is equal to s a and we can simply say that a generate a b a and lambda. Therefore grammar is equal to g, which can be written as what, set of variable, means a comma s, comma set of terminal a comma b, comma initial state, comma production rule. The b question of the video which I had shared with you was find the language for production. So here production is given, we have to find a language. So this is a very easy question. As we can see here, equal number of a and equal number of b can be generated from this production rule. So simply l is equal to a comma b to the power n, where n greater than is equal to 0. Sorry, not comma. This was the language which can be generated by this grammar. Again the set of production rule is given to us. We have to generate only grammar. So simply what is given here, saa ab baa. So there is nothing, no variable is going to terminate, because every variable generate another variable with combination of terminal or without terminal. So it can't generate any language. So simply it is a empty language. or it doesn't drive anything, or doesn't, we can write it doesn't drive any, doesn't drive anything. Okay, so there were many other questions, guys, but I will share the solutions of those questions in my next video, because it is not possible to generate the solutions of those questions in a single video. Okay, thank you.